I'm Thomas Smith, and this is a look at the Little Tikes trampoline. So this is super fun. It's a little tiny trampoline for your smallest kids. I found that it works great from probably about age 3 all the way up to 5 or 6 even. I think a bigger kid could go on it. They just have to jump fairly carefully. But I think that that 3 to 5 age range is perfect for this. And it definitely gets their bounces out. So it's a nice trampoline surface. It's a good quality of mesh on that. It's able to support, their weight as they bounce on it. And you can see if we pull this back a little bit, which this is secure, isn't it? But I'll tip this over and you can see from the bottom, it's not springs, it's these pieces of almost like a, I'm trying to think of how to describe this, like a kind of grippy type of stretchy material, almost like a bungee cord. And that's nice because you don't have to worry about the metal or getting snagged in it, or them getting stuck under this or anything like on a traditional trampoline. Got the little feet underneath here, a good amount of bounce, but not so much that you have to worry about them catapulting themselves off of it. And then I think this is one of the best features, the bar over top, so they can hold on. And again, especially for those littler kids, it's great for them to be able to hold on to this nice secure bar as they bounce. I've seen these used inside. I like to use it outside. Definitely supervise them when they're using this, but it's a great way to get their bounces out. And particularly if you're going to use it indoors, I would put it on like a padded or carpeted surface. And it's great for those rainy days or days where you want to get some energy out inside of your house. Overall, really great. I do use mine outside, and it's another a good way to do it. You can see it tends to get wet. When the sprinklers run out here, it dries out as the sun hits it. I've seen no problem with it getting wet and drying out. Again, without the springs, you don't have to worry so much about rusting. This might wear out over time. This is a metal bar, but so far so good with this. Been using it for probably about 6 months here with my kids, and again, it works great.